it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am going to instruct you on how to use your damper controls on the Elmira Cookstove. You basically have three simple damper controls. The bottom controls are going to be your air controls. When they are pushed all the way to the rear of the stove, that is going to be open, and pulled all the way to the front of the stove is going to be closed. So when you are going to light your fire for the first time, you want to have both damper controls pushed all the way to the rear of the stove to have them wide open. There's also a top damper control located here. Pushed all the way to the right hand side of the stove when facing the front is going to be open. Pulled all the way to the left hand side of the stove when facing the front is going to be closed. Now open is going to have your flue gases flowing up the chimney. So when you are going to light your stove for the first time, start your fire, or reload your fire with wood, you want to make sure that your top damper control is going to be pushed all the way to the right hand side of the stove in the open position. So your bottom damper controls will be pushed all the way to the rear, and top damper control pushed all the way to the right is going to be wide open for the hottest burn possible and how you want to have the stove when lighting your fire. From there, to damper your fire down, you will adjust your bottom. Your bottom is going to be bottom air control coming in, and then your top control would be your secondary to adjust your airflow. You only want to have your oven in the closed position. When it's enclosed, that's going to essentially take the smoke and circulate it around the oven, and you are officially in baking mode. You don't want to ignite the stove into baking mode unless you are actually planning to bake. There is no need to do that and open your oven to heat your home or anything like that. You'll actually end up circulating more creosote around and smoke, and you'll have to clean out your stove more than you should otherwise have to do. So if you're not baking, be sure to just keep that in the open position. You can also adjust it midway if you need an in-between airflow there. Same with your bottom control. So I hope this overview on how to use your damper controls on the Elmira Fireview Wood Cookstove was helpful for you guys today. If you like my videos, please don't forget, give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.